Okay, this week's forum to check out is RC Heli Addict. That's right, RC Heli Addict. Your friendly RC helicopter community. And that's the key word here. Friendly. I swear, this is the most friendliest forum you can come across. Check it out. They're also based in the UK. The UK as in United Kingdom. And that's where you find a lot of these tea drinkers. Like before they fly, they drink tea and biscuits and crumpets.
Yes, we like to drink tea. Would you like a cup of tea?
RC Heli Addict, the home of the RC Heli Addict, the home of the Eddie Goldstar. Eddie Goldstar. So again, it's another forum with a lot of pilots, with a lot of knowledge. You might want to check this one out. So what's new this week? Well, we've been practicing a lot of nose-ins all week. And last night I took her out right after supper, and it was kind of dark, but I could see it. And I lost orientation of it, and I brought her down far away from me, and it landed in 10 inches of water. It was completely submerged for 20 seconds in water. The only water in the whole field, this little spot. And I was really worried that everything was fried, but I took everything out, stripped it down, and I put it on a heat register overnight, and fired it up, and it flies great. So I'm really impressed that I saved all the electronics. So, the word of the bird is, Copter X200 V3 is going to be available this Friday or the upcoming Monday. Hopefully we have one in the mail on its way, and we will do a build video and a flight video and just a test, see how it does. We're all excited about it. So keep in touch. Other than that, we've been really busy with the maple syrup, bottling it, so we hadn't had a lot of time to make any videos this week. I do have some, no crashes. Look at that, no crashes at all this week. So the only videos I have this week is just fooling around with the helicopter out by the Windturbines. You'll actually see how big these wind turbines are when you see the helicopter flying near it. They're not turned on yet. They get turned on June 31st, and then you'll start seeing them spinning. So I hope you enjoy the vid.